I'm here today to show the differences here between the Elegoo Saturn 4 and the new Mars 5. Now they obviously look very much the same. They have that green U there on the cap. So you can see that I think the Elegoo Mars 5 took a lot of the learnings that they had from the Saturn 4 and put that in the Mars design here as well. So they are quite similar and they work in a similar fashion. I think the new Mars 5 prints as good as the Saturn 4 here, but there are a few key differences here. Obviously the Saturn 4 is a lot larger and you have a larger print bed that you can use for larger prints or printing multiple things at once. So I printed a whole chess set at once with this print bed, which I couldn't do with this Mars 5. So the size of the print bed, I think that's a big choice between the Mars series and the Saturn series, which is a lot larger. Now the other main thing is here, this has a cap that can go all the way up top here and then all the way to the back. So I think that's quite nice, a nice design here. So you can keep that cap on the machine at all times and you just flip it open, and the Mars design here just comes off, so you can take that off and then get your print or fill in some extra of the resin. Now both of these models have like this little vent port here. I have the Elegoo mini heater that you can attach to that, so you have that vent port and you can easily access that from the back. And the Saturn 4 also has that vent here situated here in the back, so you can also add those extra devices to that. So those are quite similar design. I think it's a little bit more sturdy, this Saturn series, especially with the hood here. But other than that, it is really the same design that they took from the Saturn 4 and put in the Mars 5. So if you're looking to buy either of these, I think that the size of the print pad should be your main concern and all the other things just fall into place.